Today, it is easier than ever to start a side hustle and make hundreds, even thousands of dollars a day from it. Many people are looking for extra income, but don't have the time or resources to take on a full-time job. So here are 5 side hustles that you have to try if you want to make some extra money without having to deal with too much work. One of the easiest side hustles is to test out websites and provide feedback through surveys. When a business realizes that something is not working, they need to know why. So this is when companies turn to their customers or random people to be user experience testers. There are many companies like user testing and beta testing that will pay you to test out websites, apps, and many products. Beta testing is one of the more well-known testing companies out there. You can expect to earn $10 or more for each test you carry out. And these tests cover a wide range of products, from apps to TVs. All you have to do is go to beta testing website and click sign up to become a tester. A common payment for a test that takes 45 to 60 minutes ranges from $15 to $30, which is not bad at all. You can also earn good money from proofreading. Proofreaders are often needed to help polish written content for bloggers, business owners, and more. One of the best perks about this side hustle is that you can work for a number of clients at once, and you can also set your own rates and charge hourly or by the word. You do not need specialized training, but it's important to have excellent grammar, punctuation, and spelling if you want to make money proofreading. And if you're looking for remote work, proofreading is one of the best side hustles from home. All you will need to start this side hustle is an internet connection and a computer. If you are interested in proofreading, you can get started on Fiverr or Upwork to find your first client. Upwork says the median rate for proofreaders is $25, with a typical range between $18 and $35 an hour. Digital marketing has revolutionized the way businesses reach out to their target audience, thanks to platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Entrepreneurs can create targeted ad campaigns to reach their ideal customers. Facebook and Instagram are 2 of the most popular social media platforms with billions of users. But did you know that you can use these 2 apps to earn some extra money every month? Many business owners pay people to help them market their businesses because they often lack the time or knowledge to run an effective ad campaign. Facebook ad managers are in high demand, and this side hustle has an earning potential of over $2,000 a month. You may be thinking that you need a background or degree in advertising, but you do not. There are skills that you can quickly learn that can help you make $1,000 per client while working just a few hours a week. If you want to make hundreds of dollars quickly, you might also want to consider becoming a grocery or food delivery driver. Being a personal shopper or food delivery driver is an easy and convenient way to earn extra income. By following these simple steps, you can join these platforms and start earning money in no time. These delivery services can be profitable weekend side hustles if you have a few hours and it's simple to get started. You will need to register with delivery platforms like Instacart, Postmates, Uber Eats, or DoorDash. Check out the company's website and fill out the necessary information to sign up to become a delivery driver. Once your application is approved, you can start accepting orders as soon as possible. The great thing is that you can accept orders based on when you are available. To make the most, you can accept orders during peak hours, which are lunch and dinner, or 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. So if you can schedule to deliver during those times, you will be able to make the most money. You can also receive tips from many customers. As long as you have reliable transportation and a smartphone, you can quickly sign up and start delivering food to hungry customers in your area. With many restaurants constantly joining the delivery game, the opportunities for earnings are only increasing. Renting out your car can also be a great side hustle for anyone who wants to make some extra money. Car rental platforms like Turo and Getaround make it easy for car owners to list their vehicles for rent and connect with potential renters. One of the main advantages of renting out your car is that it allows you to make money from an asset that you might not be using all the time. If you have a car that sits idle in your garage or parking space for most of the day, you can rent it out to someone who needs it for a few hours or a few days. This can help you earn hundreds of dollars each month, depending on the demand for rental cars in your area. Another benefit of car rental is that it is a flexible side hustle that you can fit into your schedule. Unlike other types of side gigs that require you to be available during specific hours or days, renting out your car can be done whenever it suits you. You can choose to rent out your car only on weekends or during the week when you're not using it. This makes it a great option for anyone who has a full-time job or other commitments that require them to be available during regular business hours. Finally, renting out your car can be a low-risk way to generate extra income. Many car rental platforms provide insurance coverage for renters, which means that you don't have to worry about expensive repairs or liability issues. As long as you follow the platform's guidelines and only rent your car to approved renters, you can enjoy a hassle-free way to make money on the side. So that is all 5 side hustles that are great for those looking to earn extra cash quickly and easily. Not only are they all inexpensive to start, but they can also be done on your own schedule, making them flexible enough to fit in with any lifestyle. So with a little bit of hard work and dedication, these side hustles can potentially turn into long-term sources of income.